Hi YouTube people, I am teacher Reggy SafadãO and today we are going to solve some exercise about the area and perimeter of the irregular flat shapes. Are you ready? So, come with me!
Hi, YouTube people. I'm very glad to have you here back again with us. This is our class number 3 of 4. Let's see our opening. Oh, yes. As everybody already knows, our channel is Mathematics with Frontiers, and here we have classes of physics, mathematics and English, and two versions. One in English and the other one in Portuguese. Go there and visit our video classes in Portuguese. They are really terrific. Well, today we are going to keep on talking about the plane geometry, and now we are going to see some exercise about the area and perimeter of the irregular shapes. Okay, so let's see question number 1. It's right here. Find the total area and perimeter of the irregular shapes below. Apply pi equals to 3. Okay, this is important. Okay, so question number 1, let's see this irregular shapes. Okay, the measurements are coming. Okay, well, 1 point. What we are going to do, we are going to split the figure. Okay, we have here a rectangle here, another rectangle here, and here we have a square. So we are going to split the figure into 3 other figures that we are going to say, we are going to name them A, B, and C. Let's see. So the first one is A. The other one is B, and the last one is C. All right. So we are gonna solve. We are gonna find some measurements more, and now another one, and now we are gonna find the area of them, and then we are going to sum up the areas and find the total area. Okay. So this is the rectangle A, the rectangle B, and the square C. Okay. 1 second. Every time I need to move my window, okay, in order not to disturb the class. Okay, so let's see now what we have. Okay, so see. Okay, the measurements 3 and H. Okay, well, 1 point. Remember, from here to here we have 6 meters, but this part from here to here we can see here 2. Okay, so 6 plus 2 is H. This is why the height is H. Okay, B, figure B. Okay, shape B here. We have that here is 3 meters and here is 2 meters. Okay, so we have this. And the square. The square easily we can see easily 4 meters. 4 meters each side. Okay, good. So let's apply the formulas. Okay, the formula of the rectangle is L times W, and the formula of the square, the area of the square is one side, okay, squared. So, and the total area will be the area of part A plus the area of part B plus the area of part C, okay? Let's do it. The area of shape A, part A, figure A is 3 times H, which is 24. So the area of A is 24 meters squared. Let's see the area of figure B, 3 times 2. So the area of B is 6 meters squared, and the area of part C of figure C is 4 squared. Remember that figure C is a square. So 4 squared is 4 times 4, that is 16 meters squared. Okay? Easily we can see that the total area is going to be 24 plus 6 plus 16. So it's going to give us 46. So the total area is 46 meters squared. Okay. So we need also to find the perimeter of the figure. Well, the perimeter of the figure is going to be 10 plus H plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. Rounding, okay, going around the figure, okay, the shape we have that 10 times 10 plus H plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, this is what we have done here. And so doing the calculation, we have that the perimeter of the irregular shape is 40 meters. Okay, so question number 1 is already done. Let's go to question number 3. Sorry, question number 2. Sorry, B. Okay, so this is the irregular shapes. As I told you before, we are going to split the figure, okay, the shape, the irregular shape, into 4 different shapes, okay, like this. The measurements are coming. Okay, so one figure is a triangle, A is a triangle, B is a rectangle, C is another rectangle, and D is a square, okay? Okay, some measurements are coming. And finally, okay, let's split. Triangle A, measurements 4 and 6, the sides. Our rectangle B, measurements 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters. The rectangle C is 6 centimeters and 3 centimeters. And finally, the square D that has 8 centimeters and 8 centimeters for the sides. A square has the same size for their sides. Okay. Now, let's see the formulas. The area of the triangle is B times H divided by 2. The formula of the rectangle is L times W. The formula of the square is one side L squared. The total area is going to be the sum of the area of figure A, shape A, plus shape B, plus shape C, plus shape D. So you sum up their areas. Okay. And let's do it. Let's start. So the area of shape A is going to be, this is a triangle, so it's going to be 4 times 6 divided by 2. Well, 4 times 6 is 24, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. So the area of shape A is 12 centimeters squared. And shape B is a square, and the area of a square, rectangle. And the area of a rectangle is L times W, so length times width. So it's going to be 10 times H. So the area of B is 80 centimeters squared. And again, our rectangle. So the area of shape C is 6 times 3. That is going to be 80 centimeters squared. And finally, shape D, a square. A square is one side squared. So 8 squared. 8 times H is going to be 64. All right, so the area of figure D is 64 centimeters squared. And to find the total area, we need to sum up all of them. Let's do it. So the total area is going to be 12 plus 80 plus 18 plus 64. So it is going to be 174 centimeters squared. This is the total area of that green apple figure or shape. Okay, and the perimeter of it. 1 second. Just okay. So the perimeter is going to be 24 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8. Let's go around it. 24 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 again plus 8 and plus 8. Okay, so doing this sum, we find that the perimeter of the irregular shape is 86 centimeters. Okay, so question B is already done. Let's go to the other one. Question C. The irregular shape is already here. Okay, let's do it. We can split it into 4 shapes. 1 triangle, 1 semicircle, 1 rectangle, and another triangle. Let's do it. Okay, let's see. So the radius of the semicircle is 5 feet. The other measurements. are common. So that one is, the semicircle is shape A, triangle is shape B, rectangle is shape C, and the other triangle is D. Okay, this is the semicircle A. The radius is 5 feet. Yeah. What else? A. Good. And the triangle B. Okay. The measurements are 8 feet and 4 feet. The rectangle C. The measurements are 6 feet and 10 feet. And also the triangle D. Triangle D is 6 feet and 8 feet. This is D. Okay, so let's find the areas separately, and then we are going to sum them up and find the total area. Okay, so the area of the semicircle is pi times r squared divided by 2. Okay, so the perimeter of the semicircle is pi times r. The area of the triangle is b times h divided by 2. Okay, so let's find the area of shape A. 3 times 5 is squared divided by 2. Okay, and the area of the rectangle is b times h. I almost forget it. All right, so the area of A is 3 times 25. 3 times 25 divided by 2. Well, 3 times 25 is 75 divided by 2 is going to be 37.5 feet squared. So this is the area of that semicircle A. So the perimeter of the semicircle is 3 times 5. So it is going to be 15 feet. Okay, the perimeter of semicircle is 15 feet. Yeah. Now let's see the area of figure B. 4 times h divided by 2, because this is a triangle. It's going to be 16 feet squared. The area of figure C, which is a rectangle, is 10 times 6. That is going to be 6 feet squared. And finally, the area of the triangle, 8 times 6 divided by 2, that is going to be 24 feet. Okay, now we can find the total area of it. Let me move a little bit. Okay, here it is good. So the total area is going to be area A plus area B plus area C plus area D. Plug in the values that we have into the formula. It is going to be 37.5 plus 16 plus 60 plus 24. That it is going to be that the total area of that blue shape, that blue irregular shape, is 137.5 feet squared. Okay, this is the total area. Now we are going to find the perimeter. Okay, the perimeter is going to be 22 plus 8 plus 15 plus 10. So it's going to be 55 feet. Okay, well, this was question number 1. Let's see question number 2. We have here a word problem. Let's see. Observing the athletic track in the figure below, determine the total area of the green shaded region and the distance traveled by an athlete who runs 3 laps in lane 1. Apply pi equals to 3. Okay, let's see. We have here an athletics track. Okay, lane 1, we can see lane 1. Okay, 95 meters. Remember, 95 meters is from here to here. Okay, the straight line of the track. The radius is 35 meters. Okay, and so, oh yes, we have the shape beside here. Let's see the measurements. Okay, so 95 meter is that straight side. Okay, the radius of the semicircle is 35 meters. Yeah, let's plug the value. So the area of this circle is pi times r squared. And the area of the rectangle is A plus B, A times B. And the total area is going to be the sum of both areas. Okay, so the area of the rectangle is going to be 95 times 70. And the area of the rectangle is going to be 6,650 meters squared. The area of the circle is going to be 3 times 35 squared. Well, 35 times 35 is going to be 1,225 times 3. So it is going to be 3,675 meters squared. And so now we are going to sum them up. We'll have that 6,650 plus 3,675 is 10,325 meters squared. Okay? And the perimeter, don't forget, we are going to find the perimeter. I think down here is excellent. We are going to find the perimeter, but the athlete is going to run 3 laps around it. Okay? So let's find how long is 1 lap. Okay? The perimeter of the athletic track. Okay. Let's say 3 laps. Okay. Let's see the perimeter. 2 times 3 times 35. That is going to be 210 meters. So 1 lap, the perimeter. So if you go, if you run, okay, around it, okay, in line 1, you are going to run 210 meters. But do not forget that the athlete runs 3 laps in lane 1. So we are going to multiply it by 3. Okay. Yeah, so 3, here we have 3 laps is about 3 times the perimeter P, plus 95 plus 95. Okay, so let's sum this up. We have 3 laps are going to be 3 times 400. That it's going to be 1,200 meters. Okay. Excellent. And so we have an answer. Okay, the answer is the green shaded region is 10,325 meters squared, and 3 laps are about 1,200 meters long. Okay, so these were, just 1 second, let me see. Okay, let's see our special thanks. Those were the questions of today. Okay, so thank you very much, mainly you who watch our video classes until the end. All right, subscribe to our channel, ring our bell, share this video with your friends, your classmates, all of those people you think at this moment need to learn a little bit about it. Okay, and also, of course, send us your thumbs up. It is quite important to the development of our channel. It also motivates us to be uploading more and more videos to you. All right, I'm your teacher Regi Safadão, talking to you from Brazil. Bye bye, see you, have all of you an excellent week. Bye.
That's all, folks.